In this video, we're diving into the COUNTIF function in Excel. This is a function used to count cells that meet a specific condition. It's a powerful tool for data analysis, so let us learn how to master Excel's counting function. COUNTIF is a function that counts the number of cells in a range that meet a specific condition. The syntax for the COUNTIF function is as follows: equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, range, comma, criteria, close parenthesis. Let's break down what each of these terms means. The COUNTIF function has two main parameters, range and criteria. The range is the group of cells that you want to count from. The criteria is the condition that cells must meet in order to be counted. Let's look at some examples. Here's a basic example of how to use the COUNTIF function. We have a table with two columns A and B. Column B contains a list of fruits: apple, banana, apple, orange, and apple. To count the number of cells in column B that contain the word apple, we can use the following formula: equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, B1 colon B5, comma, double quote apple double quote, close parenthesis. The result of this formula is 3, because there are 3 cells in the range B1 to B5 that contain the word apple. COUNTIF can also be used with numbers. Let's say we have a list of scores in column B, ranging from B1 to B5. 85, 92, 78, 95, and 88. We can use COUNTIF to count the number of scores that are above 90. The formula for this is equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, B1 colon B5, comma, double quote greater than 90 double quote, close parenthesis. This will give us the result 2, as there are 2 scores above 90. Similarly, we can count the number of scores that are 85 or above by using the formula equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, B1 colon B5, comma, double quote greater than or equals to 85 double quote, close parenthesis. The result of this is 4. COUNTIF offers flexibility in defining criteria. For numeric criteria, you can use conditions like greater than or equals to 100, greater than 50, less than 25, or not equals to 0. For text criteria, you can specify exact matches like apple, use wildcards such as a star to find words starting with A, star ing to find words ending with ing, or question mark to find words with exactly 3 characters. You can also use cell references in COUNTIF formulas. Consider a table with columns for product and status. Instead of typing sold directly into the formula, you can reference cell B5, which contains the text sold. The formula would be equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, C2 colon C4, comma B5, close parenthesis. This counts cells in the range C2 to C4 that match the value in cell B5, making your formulas more dynamic. COUNTIF is perfect for creating summary reports. It allows for quick counting, where you can instantly count data that meets specific conditions. You can create summary reports where you can create powerful dashboards and data summaries. It provides dynamic updates, where results update automatically when data changes. It is an essential tool for data analysis, especially when working with large data sets. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.